Marami ang nangungutang, tapos yung inutangan nila, hindi na nila binabayaran.
Maling mangutang. It's a habit that's so addictive.
Magkano utang niyo sa'yo?
200 po.
200,000?
Ano ang maitutulong ng life coaching kung isa akong anak na napakasama ng loob ko sa mga magulang ko dahil sa palagay ko, marami silang mga responsibilidad na hindi nagawa sa akin.
Ba't hanggang ngayon sila pang sinisisi mo sa buhay nila? Mag-isip ka nga. Simple. I don't have a need to please you. My need here is to make you realize, put you into a certain level of awareness that your shit is yours, not anyone else.
Kaya maraming failed relationship. Kasi how can we actually love somebody if we do not know how to love ourselves? Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening mga boss. So nandito na naman tayo sa pinakabagong episode ng RDR Collab. At ang makakasama natin ngayon ay ang pinakamagaling na life coach sa buong Pilipinas. Ang mentor ko, ang coach ko, pagdating sa buhay, walang iba, Coach Ras Uson. Welcome, Coach!
Thank you, boss. Privilege and honor to hear those words. Patindigan ko yan.
I want you to understand where it's coming from. Nung umattend ako ng dalawang program ninyo, it's called Discovery and Breakthrough. After those programs, mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Alam ko yung purpose ko ngayon, and ngayon naiintindihan ko saan nanggagaling yung pag-uugali ko doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. Marami sa mga viewers natin ngayon, maaaring may tanong kayo, bakit nyo ba kailangan ng life coach sa buhay ninyo? Is it important na merong mga klase na mga seminar at program na aatinan ninyo para mas lalo nyo makilala ang sarili ninyo? Or di naman kaya ma-improve nyo ang pagkatao ninyo? Totoo ba ito? Ano ba ang process niyan?
Lahat ng tao na kilala ko, maraming hinahanap sa buhay. And akala nila, nahanap na nila dapat nahanap. Pag nakita nila yung gusto nila, may bago na namang gusto. So walang katapusan ng emptiness and longing for more. Nung nahanap ko na yung gusto ko, na akala kong tagumpay or success, na-realize ko, the more ko siyang hinahanap, the more siyang lumalayo. At doon ko nakita na lahat ng solusyon sa buhay nasa loob lang. And hindi ko yan makita sa psychologist, psychotherapist, or even sa pera, or sa fame. Kung hindi, doon sa conversation na nakuha ko sa life coach ko. Kaya nung nagkaroon ako ng awareness na lahat pala ng hinahanap ko, hindi yan talaga ang hinahanap ko. Kung hindi, kung ano yung nasa loob ko at kung sino ako, at yan yung solusyon sa lahat ng buhay na alam ko na mas magiging healthy ka, mas magiging mapagmahal ka, at higit sa lahat, kung pera ang gusto mo, mas madaling makamta ng pera. Pero pinaka-importante na nakita ko, fulfillment. You feel good about yourself when you are by yourself because you know who you are. With or without mga external things na hinahanap natin, okay ka, masaya ka, assured ka kung sino ka kasi alam mo lahat ng kailangan mo nasa sa'yo.
Ang ganda nun. Marami akong mga na-attenan na seminar. Ako, nagtuturo din ako, nagme-mentor din ako, nagko-coach din ako. Pero yung nakita ko kasing process ninyo, it is spiritually and scientifically correct. Saan ka nag-aral nito?
Simula nung nag-attend ako ng sarili kong basic personal mastery program, na in love ako. And all of the sudden, iniwan ko yung full-time job ko na talagang very successful ako. Tapos willing akong simulan aralin to. First exposure ko dito sa Pilipinas, it's a company called OCCI. After that, naghanap ako ng bigger audience that will allow me to explore this. Pumunta ako ng States, nag-explore ako with Patrick Dean, one of the most original in terms of LG80.
Ano yung LG80?
Large Group Awareness Training. Ito yung branch ng training na ito na simulan in the 1970s. Ngayon, konti na lang nagpa-practice simply because wala na masyadong mga kabataan na natututo. Siguro hindi masyado napasa ng mga original. So I went to the States, I attended PSI, People Strategically Involved, Landmark Forum, Clemers and Associates. Doon ako nagtagal. At halos lahat ng training na pwede kong matutunan, equip me. Ang hirap kasing magsabi ka, life coach ka, consultant ka, pero hindi mo inaral. Narinig mo lang, kinopya mo, tapos i-advertise mo. Hindi siya responsable. I even went out to SOL, Society of Organizational Learning, MIT, Boston. Even tried looking on courses in Harvard. And the last long learning I had for 18 months was with INSEAD France. And as far as coaching is concerned, new field ontological coaching, yan yung pinaka-Harvard of coaching. Doon ko na pagsama-sama. Discipline ko is back up with psychology, but above all, theology. Pag hindi ito back up with science, psychology, and theology, hindi ko siya ituturo at hindi ko ipapractice.
Basically, life coaching is all about deep awareness of yourself.
Exactly. It starts with awareness about yourself coming from number one, the way we think. Because the way we think will create create the way we feel. And the way we feel will create the way we move. Yung life coaching, hindi niya tinatrabaho yung resulta ng buhay mo kung hindi ang tinatrabaho niya ay kung sino ka at anong nangyayari sa kalooban. And that's what we call awareness. 99% ng lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo has nothing to do with outside world, but it has something to do with inside world. Not unless hindi mo alam yan, you will be in constant chase, external things na walang katapusan at nakakapagod. Halos lahat ng kino-coach ko ngayon, CEOs, President, has all the money in this world, dalawa lang. It's either number one, bored sila, kaya kung ano-anong mga laruan ang bibilihin. Nothing wrong, except that the moment they buy this, bukas na naman, parang candy lang na walang katapusan. Except that maybe they don't know that there is something like this. Most of the time, stress and anxiety. Walang katapusang meeting left and right. Walang katapusang problem solving or firefighting sa business nila because they wanted to do more, not knowing that they have to be more so they can do more. That's not enough because you need to move to number 2. Ito yung tinatawag natin na responsibility, which means alam mo na yung solusyon ng hinahanap mo is internal, then be responsible with yourself. That's why most of the humanity problem boils around hindi na inaalagaan ng tao yung sarili niya. The biggest responsibility na meron, especially entrepreneur, is what we call self-care. Because if you don't care for yourself, nothing will happen. And the moment you now know this, the third part of coaching is really what we call choice, which means may bago kang pagpipilian sa buhay at naintindihan mo kung yung pagpipili mo ay yung dati mo pang pinagpipilian, which means pareho yung result mo. Pero pag nagbago ka ng pagpipili, magkakaroon ka ng bagong result sa buhay.
Mula nung naging mag-asawa ang isang mag-asawa, mula nung nagsama sila sa isang bahay, hindi na sila naging masaya. Because, number one, laging kulang, laging kapos, walang pera. Secondly, ang pamilyang Pilipino, karaniwan, yung indifferences. Yung babae, hindi maintindihan ng lalaki, si lalaki, hindi maintindihan ng babae. And then, ang nagiging outlet ng karamihan ng mga tao is naghihiwalay. Paano mo ito marirelate sa life coaching? Paano masusolusyonan ng life coaching yung ganito kalaking problema sa Pilipinas na ang nagiging pinakamalaking receiving end ng problema na to is yung mga anak?
Unang-una, boss, si lalaki, pinasukan ang relasyon with babae. Hindi niya kilala yung sarili niya. Nung nag-meet sila, akala nila they're meant for each other. So every time they have fight, it's not because galit siya dito or galit siya dito. Ang away nila simply because hindi ko kilala ang sarili ko tapos magdadamay pa ako ng ibang tao. Every time you're in bed, you and your wife, ilang tao?
Dalawa lang.
Hindi, 6.
Bakit?
Ikaw at yung mami at daddy mo, nabitbit mo hanggang ngayon. Si Mrs., mami at daddy niya, nabitbit niya hanggang ngayon. Iba't ibang pinanggagalingan, iba't ibang confusion, iba't ibang trauma na hindi natin alam na kailangan pala nating i-handle lahat ng trauma natin sa buhay kasi kung hindi, na ipapasa natin ito sa anak natin. You talk about money, which means problem of money if Mr. and problem of money is Mrs. is the same thing that they got acquired while they were growing up that they bring in here. That's why yung conflict ng husbands and wife has nothing to do about each other, but the conflict of each other is the internal conflict that is showing up for them that they project doon sa kanilang mga karelasyon.
Kaya maraming failed relationship. Kasi how can we actually love somebody if we do not know how to love ourselves?
It's not because hindi sila nagmamahalan, it's because kulang sila ng pagmamahal sa sarili because ang dami nilang bit-bit growing up, may trauma. And then, here it comes together, two broken people internal come together and they start throwing each other's trash. And a lot of times, karamihan ng cases na lumalapit sa akin at sa class ko, maybe more than 10,000 couples that I've been working with for the past 10, 15 years, the same problem. Isa lang punot dulo. I come in with a lot of my trauma and I throw it out to the people who I love. But again, hindi nila alam to. And that is scary simply because anger. Nagagalit ka pa. Do you plan to be angry? Do you want to be angry? These are the things that's going on inside na hindi mo makontrol, hindi mo alam, kinakain ka na. And then you bring this to anyone and everyone in your life. And the moment you start fixing what's inside, automatic external things is gonna make it the way you want it.
Okay, marami ang nangungutang tapos yung inutangan nila, hindi na nila binabayaran. How can you help them through life coaching?
Isa lang tanong ko, gusto mo ba yan? And of course, ang sagot hindi. Pero maybe lumaki ka, nakita mo, nag-survive ang magulang mo sa pangungutang, ikaw rin, palautang ka rin. And yun yung kailangan nating isolve, yun yung kailangan nating tulungan, yun yung kailangan nating pag-igihan na tignan natin saan ito nanggagaling. Anong belief system? That's why as an adult, ang hirap talagang magbago. But yung work natin is to find out ano yung wired program na na hindi na nag-work at babaguhin natin yun kung paano natin nakuha.
Through life coaching.
But the process here is, number one, verbal conditioning. However, that's not enough because it's only words. You need to start taking a look at on experience. Get yourself into an experience of kahit hirap na hirap ka, hanapan mo ng paraan. Pakonti-konti. So that yung hindi okay mangutang at nabayaran mo yung utang mo, uy, pwede. You're collecting new evidence through your experiences. However, that's not enough because most important part for me and the biggest contribution of people who wants to change their life is number 3, environment. Huwag kang tumira sa isang environment na kung left and right, nakikita mo parang utang-utang, parang norm na lang. You have to go out of that environment whose norm is pangungutang. Kung hindi, ang norm nila is pagbinegosyo, paano kumita na mas maganda, paano makatulong, yan ang laki ng factor na yan.
Ano ang maitutulong ng life coaching kung isa akong anak na napakasama ng loob ko sa mga magulang ko dahil sa palagay ko, marami silang mga responsibilidad na hindi nagawa sa akin?
Simple. Life coaching is a conversation that is tough, na masakit. Kung playing tayo, ilang taon ka na ba?
40.
O, ba't hanggang ngayon sila pang sinisisi mo sa buhay nila? Mag-isip ka nga.
Exactly.
That's question.
Kailangan ganun.
Yes. And we call that courageous question. So which means I don't have a need to please you, but my need here is to make you realize, put you into a certain level of awareness that your shit is yours, not anyone else. Release your shit, forgive them, thank them, bless them, because when you start forgiving them, blessing them, the shit now becomes a fertilizer to move you to your next level.
Ang galing mo. How can life coaching help me if I'm a parent, hindi ko mapasunod ang mga anak ko? Lahat sila rebelde, lahat sila bulakbol, lahat na lang nang sabihin ko mali para sa kanila.
Conversation pa rin. And this is what we call vulnerable conversation. The reason why maraming banggaan na magulang, most parents na lumalapit sa akin at gusto makipagbati sa mga anak, I always blame it to them. Number one, paano mo ba pinalaki mga batang yan? Bakit sila ganyan? Remember, you need to teach people how to treat you. And if they're treating you this way, you're teaching them this. Although hindi mo alam from the conscious mind, but subconsciously, tinuturuan mo silang tratuhin ng pambabastos sa'yo based on results. So kung ayaw mo na yan, be in conversation as parents, admit natin, hindi tayo perfect. Admit natin, marami tayong pagkukulang. Admit natin na kaya sila ganyan kasi ganun mo sila pinalaki. But is that enough? No. Number 2, take responsibility. Humingi ka ng kapatawaran at sabihin mo paano kita mapagsilbihan ng mas mabuti ngayon. Ngayon, may alam na ako para maging mas mabuti ngayon.
How can a life coach help me with my addiction to drugs?
I am not in a position to do that. However, most of the super highly drug dependent that I have worked with has finally get out of the chain 15, 20 years of drug addiction simply because understanding that addiction is numbing what's inside. Gusto ko siyang takpan ng trauma, ng hurt, ng pain na ayaw ko na siyang ramdaman. Kaya kung ano-anong pinitira ko para mawala. And all of a sudden, pagkatapos ng droga na yun, balik na naman. Not unless you go back and heal the parts. Not unless you go back and allow yourself to release whatever emptiness, whatever pain, trauma na meron ka. And I know most of the people who are addicted to some sort of external things still boils down to being a child, longing for attention, longing for love, longing for acceptance. And if I don't get it, I'll go to what? Social media addiction, eating addiction, or maybe drinking addiction, porn addiction. It's simply results of the emptiness I have, so I have to look for external things to fill up what's empty.
Grabe. How can a life coach help me kung mahirap ako ngayon at gusto ko na talagang yumaman?
Pinakamadali yan, boss. Gaano mo ka gusto? Kahit anong how, papatulan mo at gagawa mo ng paraan. It's still going back to the desire, the greed, na never again, ayoko na to. Kasi makikita yan based on result. Ang problema sa mga gustong yumaman daw, pero mahirap pa rin, daming inarte. And therefore, ang i-call out mo na lang yan, akala ko gusto mo to. At ang dami ng drama. Kung gusto mo yan, magdrama ka. Wala kang pakialam sa buhay mo. Pero kung ayaw mo niya, tama ng drama. Dami mong justification. Stop the old pattern of poverty, which is drama, justification, excuses, and start living a new life. Now, most important part here is ikaw mismo maghahanap ng mentor. Itong mentor na ito is someone na maaring pwede niyang mapabilis yung concept ng success. Kasi hindi ka naman naging successful sa pagbabasala. Hindi ka rin naging successful sa pag-attend ng seminar. Mas nagiging successful ka kung merong naggagabay sa iyo in terms of how to do, what to do, when to do it, and at the same time, meron kayong accountability to support one another.
How can a life coach help me if I am a boss as hindi ko mapasunod yung mga employee?
Unang-una, no, humility. Balik tayo. Vulnerability na, yes, naging boss ako, naging successful ako, pero umabot lang sa maximum capacity yung aking effectiveness. Based on result, wala nang sumusunod sa akin. Kung meron man, susunod lang dahil kailangan, dahil hindi gusto. Then maybe, I let them know na kung ano man yung alam mo sa pagiging manager or leader, hindi na siya relevant ngayon. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng bagong awareness about management. And leadership style right now is talagang nag-ibang-iba na, especially yung ating new generation, mas learned, mas magaling, mas aware sa atin. At kung yan ang ating i-lead, question kasi nga, mas marami sa alam sa atin. So the humility to be open to go on a new dimension of personal mastery. And the exciting part about personal mastery is balik ka to leading yourself. Because if there's one word about leadership, it's all about influence. The biggest question here is, bakit sila susunod sa akin kung ako mismo hindi ko masusunod yung sarili ko? Can I be as healthy as I want to be? Because that's very important. People will only follow people who they like. But the biggest question here, as a leader, likable ka ba? Anong ibig sabihin? Gusto mo ba yung sarili mo? Kasi pag gustong-gusto mo yung sarili mo at assured ka at confident ka tungkol sa iyong sarili, then taong sumusunod sa'yo, assured sila na nasa loob ka. But hindi lang yung importante. Pangalawa, connectability. Ramdam ka ba nila? Because yung pinaka-boss dati is puro lang galit, puro lang sama ng loob. Walang relationship. Kung meron man, mababaw. But I guess we are now in a generation wherein people wants to be cared, people wants to be supported, but the question is, ramdam ka ba nila? Thirdly, reliable ka ba? Alam mo ba lahat ng bagong knowledge sa negosyo? Digital transformation. That's very important. Alam mo ba paano mag-lead ng Gen Z at Millennials? Because kung hindi, kailangan yan yung part ng reliability mo. At higit sa lahat, number 4, character of integrity. Kasi ikaw mismo kulang sa integridad, kaya sila rin ayaw rin sumunod.
How can you actually be a life coach?
Meron tayong mga online courses na tigwa $1. Marami ring mga schools. Certification, of course, nag-aral ako, nagpa-train ako. Pero ang pinaka-importanteng how to be a life coach is, can I coach myself? Because ang hirap naman, no? Sasabihin ko, life coach ako, pero pag tinignan ng buhay ko, hindi naman ka-life coach yung material ko, nakakahiya.
Correct.
Learn and study, practice. Pero para sa akin, ang pinaka-magandang tulungan muna ay sarili ko para makatulong ko sa inyo.
Yes. Kaya ako natanong yung coach kasi maraming life coach, mentor, guru sa social media ngayon. And yet, ang pinagmamalaki lang nila is yung mga crash courses na mga seminar na inatinan nila. Biglang, boom, naging life coach na sila. Ano ang take mo sa mga ganyang klaseng so-called mentors, guru, or coaches?
I bless them. However, may responsibilidad tayo na dapat in integrity tayo sa kiniklaim natin. Kasi nakakatakot hindi aso or pusa ang kinakausap natin at hindi ako pwedeng lumabas dyan not unless ako mismo na life coach ko yung sarili ko, so kaya kitang life coach. Always remember, most important work for me of a life coach is to help them heal themselves through the wounds that you have healed yourself. Because I always say, it's not the message, it's always the messenger. So make sure that your life is the message you want to show out there.
Right.
Kahit gaano ka ganda ito, pero kung yung result ng mga taong humihingi ng tulong sa'yo ay palpak, useless to. Pero let's face it, thousands of people have told me how you have helped them accelerate their branch from 5 branch to 200 branch, from walang-wala, baon na baon to right now, multi-millionaire. That's evidence.
Yes.
Based on result, you're creating result. In the Philippines, I only have very few, hindi pa sa 5 na matawag kong mentor. And I know you're the latest right now that I admire. Why? Number 1, pag humanap kayo ng mentor, the first thing that I want you to understand, kung itong mentor na ito, yung result niya ba sa negosyo, gusto mo. Pag gusto mo, check. But wag mo lang tignan yung result. Number 2, lifestyle. Kung yung buhay niya ba, mapagmahal sa pamilya, healthy, check. Kasi pwede ka naman kumikita ng million, billion. Kaso lang, halos walang tulog. Pagod. Hindi alam nasaan yung mga anak. Questionable yan. But hindi lang yan. Para sa akin, number 3 is very important, values. Do we have the same values? For you, boss, I like it simply because because you have the result that I want. But above all, the value that I have top one priority is contribution, support, and help. And we just had a meeting today. There were a lot of ultra-rich people came in here. Ni wala kang hininging negosyo, panay din ang offer ng negosyo sa'yo. But all you did was, pupunta ako, tutulungan kita, walang bayad to, libre yan, libre to. Sabi ko, pareho. And this is the person who I want to follow for the rest of my life simply because check sa tatlo.
Maraming salamat doon, Coach. And I accept it. For me naman din kasi, the reason why I'm providing value to my followers and to all of the viewers we have right now is tama yung sinasabi mo eh. I learned this doon sa session natin sa Breakthrough. Ang breakthrough experience ko kasi doon is all throughout, ang akala ko is kung bakit sobrang tough ako, sobrang lagi akong magagalitin, lagi mainit ang ulo ko. Ang akala ko, ang pinanggagalingan nun is meron akong hate sa mga magulang ko. Yun pala, galit pala talaga ako sa sarili ko because nung mga nakakaraan, nung mga dating panahon, may nanakit sa akin, may nang asar sa akin, may nang buwisit sa akin, eh hindi ko maiintindihan lahat yun kung hindi ako nakapag-undergo ng breakthrough. Marami na akong inatenan na seminar. Marami na rin po akong pinuntahan ng mga convention. Pero isa lang po ang talagang nakapagpabago ng isip ko, nakapagpabago ng sarili ko, nakapagpabago ng buhay ko, ang nag-iisang Coach Ras Huson. And I truly encourage each and every one of you to check out IM Plus and House of Transformation. And definitely, you follow Ras Huson on TikTok, Transformational Coach Ras on Facebook. Lahat kayo, ine-encourage ko na umattend sa mga free webinars namin. Magkakandak po kami ng series of webinars. Now, if you wanna continue your journey, then that's the time. Mag-enroll kayo doon sa isa sa mga programs ng Discovery or Breakthrough or Abundance or whatever na meron ang IM Plus or House of Transformation. Para at least matuldukan na yung matagal na nating problema sa buhay natin na kung paano ba talaga tayo magiging masaya at the same time matagumpay sa buhay. Coach Ras, last word.
Salamat for sharing me to your audience dahil yung pangarap ko na kahit 1% lang ng Pilipino makarinig na posible pala akong gumandang buhay ko, na paniniwalaan ko lang kung sino ako bilang capable, responsible at importanteng tao, magbabagong buong Pilipinas. But then again, don't take his word for it. Don't take my word for it. We have free webinars. Attend it and sa tingin mo makakatulong sa'yo, do discovery because I know 100% sure na sure, panindigan ko yan, 15 years wala pang nagsabi sa akin, walang kwentang discovery kung hindi. Salamat, Coach Ras.
Alright mga boss, do click that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga future videos. And also do not forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. At huwag nyo na rin po kaming kalimutan i-follow sa Spotify dahil available na lahat ng contents ni Boss RDR sa Spotify. At kung gusto ninyong makakolaborate si Boss RDR, kindly message us para po kayo naman ang susunod na uupo sa RDR Collab. Muli mga boss, maraming salamat and God bless sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.